everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I have a quick project share for you. This is a little folio, and I'm pretty sure it is a folio I created last year, and I'll link it below. If it's not the same, the one that I'm linking is pretty darn close. I don't keep many unfinished projects from year to year, but this happened to end up in my Halloween box, which, as you may know, I'm trying to get rid of all of my Halloween paper. I used this Park Lane printed cardstock pad, and again, it was from last year. I loved it because it was fall, but had all these neutral colors on it. Could have done more with the cover, but I was trying to just use things that were in the collection, and I decided to decorate with whatever I had left at the end, meaning I would take and cut out some of these leaves or whatever, but as it turns out, I really didn't have very much left. I had just enough to make about 3 bookmarks that didn't have any of this great pattern on it. But anyhow, Fun Days of Fall. It is a 8 by 4.5 folio. So let me take you inside. So I did use, they had the tags with the collection. Obviously I used that. I should have realized it was real close there. There's lots of room here to put 4x6 photos or even cropped down 4x6 photos. I did make some pockets and some long tags in it, thinking that would be a great area to journal. So there's that, and then that opens this way. Oh, there is a pocket that I didn't. I guess I could have used the bookmarks and put them in the pocket because, like I said, I didn't have much left. I thought if you were to venture out to look at fall leaves, you might have ticket stubs or brochures that you would want to also put in the pockets. That was my feeling when I made it. So here is this page. Again, there is a long tag. I did use some plain cardstock because, like I said, I was running out. Good place for journaling there. I love the neutrals of this. I believe I may have made this into a pocket on the other video, but I just left it blank thinking that would be a good spot to journal. This one I turned into a pocket. So that's sort of, I don't know, it goes. The decorating is very minimal. I didn't do a lot of decorating. I don't even have a magnet on here because it stays together so well, but these are good for 4x4 photos. Of course, I didn't put paper on the back. I guess I could have used my plain cardstock to do that, but you know, you don't want it to get too chunky. And then that opens like that. Don't you just love the acorns? I just think that's the prettiest paper. So there's that, there's that, there's that, there's that, and there's the back. Beautiful plaid. So real quick, just wanted to show you some ideas on using a neutral fall paper, just trying to use things from my stash. Like I said, I'll link the video and tutorial that I believe I made this from. It was a year ago. So thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.